Customers, whenever someone's calling into your dealership, whenever you hear a phone ringing, the person on the other end of that phone is trying to do business with you. The quicker we can get to them, the more they're going to appreciate it. I realize that being a service advisor is one of the hardest jobs in the dealership to do. And if you have a guest in front of you, they deserve your undivided attention. But anything other than having a guest in front of you can wait. If you're preparing an estimate, if you're preparing an MPI, if you're closing out a repair order and the phone's ringing, that ringing phone should take priority. So have your own personal goal to be to answer the phone first. And you never know what's going to be at the other end of that phone. There's going to be a mixed bag. But I very vividly remember one specific phone call that I answered first early in my career as a service advisor, and it made me want to answer the phone first every time. I picked up the phone, and on the other end of that phone was probably the most OCD person I've ever met in my life, second only to myself. And I spent 90 minutes on the phone with that customer. They had a Lexus LS 430, I'll never forget it, and he wanted to get that car ready to do a cross-country trip. He didn't want to have to worry about anything that car might need. And I ended up scheduling a service appointment for him to come see me the following day. The initial estimate on the repair order was $10,000, and it ended up being $14,400 by the time we were done. Obviously, that's an extreme example, but it's an example of the fact that you never know what's on the other end of that phone, but you can always bank on the fact that it's someone who wants to do business with you.